Panjiri carries a special place in our culture, known for its rich nutritional profile and comforting flavors during the colder season and for new mothers. So let's make it. Add ghee in a pan and roast all nuts and coconut slices for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring often and remove from the heat. Add the ghee in a pan again. Roast the raisins on a low heat until they puff and color changes. Roast the melon, pumpkin and flax seeds for a minute or two until you hear the cracking sound and remove from the heat. Make sure they don't change the color. Add gond in a pan. Gond will puff in a ghee. Allow it to puff completely until the crackling sound stops and becomes soft. Roast the makhanas on a very low heat for 7 to 8 minutes until lightly brown. Melt the ghee in a same pan and add the suji. Keep stirring and roast the suji for 7 to 8 minutes until it turns light brown and fragrant. Transfer to the big bowl. Time to grind the all ingredients we prepared earlier. And it's totally depend on your preference. You can grind it coarsely or turn into a fine powder. While grinding the gond, add kamarkas and fennel seeds. Add the roasted raisins as well. Add jaggery and water in a pan. Cook until jaggery is fully melted and start bubbling. Sieve through in a same bowl. Using hand, mix it well. Once completely cooled down, store in an airtight container for up to 2 months on a room temperature. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching. Chase the flavors.